Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Just doing a really quick update on Bitcoin, because as we can see, really not that much has been happening at all over the past, what we're looking at now, week or two really. Really we have just been ranging at this resistance here, as you can see. RSI resetting on the daily time frame, which is interesting, but overall we are just currently grinding away under this resistance here, forming a little bit of a range in between down towards that 30k support and that 31.5k resistance up here. You can see very clearly we came into this area here of previous level of bull market support, becomes that bear market resistance here. Obviously we get the rejection and then the back test and continuation of that we have seen, basically, of this uptrend that we've seen since the start of the year. Higher highs and higher lows like this. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your fifth waves here. It's kind of running out of steam, forming potentially a kind of double top formation right now on this recent move. So we could see a bit of a retracement consolidation before continuation for Bitcoin, considering that we have kind of ran out of steam here and we're unable so far to make a new higher high. I think a scenario that could potentially happen is we come back down and retest this area here. Everyone thinks we're going all the way back down, and then we burst to the upside again like that after a true back test. Could be on the cards for me, considering how bullish we have been here for Bitcoin. You can see we've clearly broken out of that bear market resistance. I mean, sitting up above 30k consistently is something that people would have been screaming for in December last year when we're down at 15k and everyone thinks that we're heavily struggling. So right now, obviously it's really hard to know what's going to happen next. We could see ourselves breaking to the upside, but we are getting quite overextended. And in my opinion, probably a little bit more consolidation realistically before continuation to the upside from what I can tell. I think realistically, from what we're seeing in the markets, we're probably going to see a bit more ranging for a good while before we do see ourselves heading in either direction in a big way. We could see a little retracement or a little pump, but I don't think we're going to see a big move for a while, considering, you know, basically how stagnant the market's been the past few weeks. Just cooling off, aren't we? So not taking any trades, not making any big calls right now, but I do think potentially a little bit of a retracement like this and then a bounce is probably fairly likely, in my own humble opinion. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.